Hello everyone, I'm Subhrajit Sahu, Assistant Professor in Narsimha Engineering College. I would like to welcome to all to my channel. Today in this video, I'm here to discuss about the topic. Topic name is dictionary. Okay, dictionary, one of the topic from the Python programming language. It is also a collection type. Several collection data types are there. List, tuple, dictionary, set. In the previous videos about list, about tuple we have completed. Today I'm going to discuss about the dictionary in the details. Sir, first of all, this dictionary concept is very easy. And in the real time, in the practically where it is used, in our mobile phone book, the concept of dictionary is used. In any commercial application, shopping cart is there. In the cart also this dictionary concept is used. Observe one picture I will show you here. This is the Amazon site. I added this product. The product name is CeraVe moisturizing cream for dry to very dry skin. And here how many quantities are? Quantity is one here, right? Quantity is one here. Some diagram picture is there. But internally, whenever I'm storing this one. How it is storing, sir? How it is storing? It is storing in the form of dictionary. First is product name, that is CeraVe moisturizing cream there, product name, and corresponding to that product name, how many quantities are? One quantity. And there one plus symbol is there. If I click on the plus symbol, then it automatically it will becomes to one more rise two. Okay. So here this kind of storing the data is called dictionary format, because here some mapping is done. Mapping is done. Mapping in the sense, this is the product name and this is the corresponding quantity for that particular product name. So product name or this quantity is mapped internally with this product name. So mapping type, this is nothing but dictionary representations. And same way also product name will be there. Product name, if I'll open the beginning page, starting page, product name, and nearer to the product, before adding the cart, I'm talking about the before adding the cart, product name and particular product name corresponding is price is there. Suppose price is 1000. In this case also mapping has done this price belongs to or for this product name only. So this is called as dictionary representation. Okay, na? In the Python programming, that means every commercial applications where shopping cart features is there, where product the users are adding the product to their shopping cart, nothing but they are using the concept of dictionary. That means that software is developed by using the concept of dictionary. Okay, na? And the same way mobile phone also, phone book, we are saving a particular name and corresponding phone number, right? Phone number. That means when I'm searching the name, the corresponding phone number also display to me, display to the user. That means the name and phone number map with each other, map with each other. So this is also one example of dictionary where in the real time the concept is used. And the same way in the database also, Oracle MySQL site also, this concept of dictionary has been used. And one more example also I can give you, Excel sheet. Okay, na? Excel sheet also the dictionary concepts. Lot of applications are there. Slowly we will discuss, and I gave two application example here, right? Now this is the some idea about the dictionary where actually it is used. Now let us talk about what are the important points and how this dictionary concept will be implemented in the program or in the Python programming language. Let us talk about. Sir, first, dictionary is what? It is the collection data type. That means we can store multiple elements. Multiple elements we can store, right? Multiple elements we can store, and the value is stored. Okay, it is a mapping type. Value is store keys and value pair format. Key and value pair format. Okay, na? Just I give the example, the product name. and a product name and corresponding the quantity. In this case, the value is this quantity and key is the product name. In the same way, in the phone book, the name is there and phone number is there, like this phone number is storing in the mobile phone. So in this case, key is the name and value is this mobile number, right? So this is nothing but the storing style in this dictionary, right? So in the dictionary, it is a collection type. We can store multiple element in the form of a key and value pairs, right? So I will tell some more important point about this one slowly. Observe carefully. Sir, what is those important point means? In this key and value pair, the value can be changed. It was 1, so by clicking on plus it become 2. Okay, it become 2, then clicking on plus it become 3. Like this, the value can be changed, but the product name, that is fixed. That product name, that key is fixed. In a dictionary, this is key and corresponding value. This value can be modified, it can be modified, but this key is what? Mutable. It is modification means it is immutable, and key is mutable. I hope this mutable, immutable concept earlier we have discussed in the list and tuple, right? So in the dictionary, we are storing the value in key and value format, whereas key is the mutable type, that means it cannot be changed, and value is the immutable type, it can be changed, right? It can be changed, and these are the examples I gave. Okay, this is the definition of the dictionary I told. Now, sir, how to create the dictionary? How to create the dictionary? As we discussed in the previous videos, sir, list can be created by using this square bracket, and tuple can be created by using this parenthesis. The dictionary can be used by this curly bracket or flower bracket, like this. Okay, and suppose this curly bracket, inside the curly bracket, the items will be stored. Items in the sense like this: key 1 corresponding value 1, comma, key 2 corresponding value 2. Like this, key 3 corresponding value 3, it will be stored like this. Multiple keys, multiple values we can store inside the dictionary. Suppose name is d equal to, right? And also we can write d equal to like this, only empty, nothing we will write. Then it is treated as empty dictionary. Okay, na? Empty dictionary. This bracket means it is the dictionary, empty dictionary. If no element is available inside the curly bracket, it is called empty dictionary, right? So generally it is created by using the two bracket, opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket. So example, suppose example I will give, observe carefully. Example, suppose dictionary name is dict1, dict1, suppose anything, name can be anything, equal to bracket start, suppose python, and python course fees, suppose 4,000 rupees. Okay, na? Comma, c course fee is 2,000 rupees, right? Then c plus plus course fee is again, course fee again 2,500 rupees. Okay, so like this we can do. Sir, key and value is separated by this colon symbol, compulsory, not equal to colon symbol here. Colon symbol, colon symbol. So this is the writing style of the dictionary. Inside this curly bracket we can write several key values and several key and several value pairs, right? This is the example I gave. Sir, let me give you some programmatic example here. Observe carefully. 1 minute. Let me go to the ideal here. Okay. Now suppose d equal to 1 minute. D equal to bracket start. I'll write here Python is to, okay, colon symbol 4,000 rupees, comma, c colon symbol, c single quote or double quote also you can write, not a problem. Single quote or double quote also you can write, because the string type, right? C equal to suppose 2,000 rupees, comma, C plus plus. Oh, sorry, inside the single quote you have to write C plus plus, okay, colon symbol, suppose 2500 rupees. Okay, like this also you can continue. Java suppose, .NET suppose, like this. I'm taking 3 elements only. Okay, now see, no error. Now suppose I want to print the dictionary, print, print. What is the D value object? All the value printed are not Python 4006. Sir, which type the D is? The type of D. See, type of D is which type? D. Sorry, type spelling. TYP, type of D is which type? See, dict type, dictionary type, class B. This is the dictionary class, right? This is a dictionary type. So this is the example. This is the way how we can create the dictionary by using the curly brackets. And one more important points, 2 3 important points I will tell here. What is those important point means? The dictionary does not allow duplicate key. Okay, now suppose D equal to, I'm writing here, does not allow duplicate key. Suppose D equal to 1 is to 20. Okay, now, comma 2 is to 30, comma again I will write 1 is to 40. Sir, how many times I have written 1? 2 times. That means left side always key, that colon symbol left side, the colon symbol left side. 1 minute here. The colon symbol left side object. This colon symbol left side is called key, and this is called value. Okay, this is called value. Let me erase first. Okay, yes, this is called key and this is called values, right? So in this particular example, the key 1 is available here and available here. That means duplicate key. If I'll write like this, no error, but duplicate key is not available. That means this 1, or is initially the value mapped with 1 is 20, and again the 1 is mapped with the 40. The new value always it will be update to that key. That means what output will come? If I print D will come 1 is to 40 and 2 is to 30. That means 1 is to 20. This 20 will be replaced with this 40 because same key is there, duplicate key. That means one time only 1 will be printed. One time only 1 will be printed. That means duplicate key is not allowed, right? Duplicate key is not allowed. Let us print the output. Observe. 1 minute. Let me. Okay. Okay, na? Suppose I will print here, print D. Okay, print D. Now see, what printed? 140 to 31. That means the one value, the 20 it was initially, now it is updated with 40. Duplicate key is not allowed, but duplicate values are allowed. See, suppose D equal to 1 is to 20, comma, for 2 also value is 20, comma, for 3 also value is 20. For key 3, key 2, key, for every key value is 20. That means it is allowed. If I print exactly as it is, it will be printed. Print D. Okay. See, 1 is to 20, 2 is to 23. That means duplicate values are allowed. But duplicate keys are not allowed, right? Duplicate keys are not allowed. Okay, na? Okay. Now, one more important point. One key can now, for this one key, observe carefully. Interesting it is also. For this one key, how many values are? One value, right? But the dictionary, in the dictionary, it is also allowed. in one key multiple values like this 1 is to inside the bracket 20 comma 30 like this also allowed, like this also. That means right now the key 1 having how many values? 2 values. That means a key can be mapped with multiple values. That concept also allowed in the dictionary, right? Let me show you. Okay, okay, let me show you that one also. I'll write here d equal to bracket start 1 is to inside the bracket, suppose I'll write 10 comma 20. Okay, 10 comma 20 comma 2 is to inside the bracket I will write 30 comma 40 and so on. Like this I'm taking the two elements. Now see, any what is happened does not match. Oh sorry, bracket not closed here, right? Here I have not closed the bracket in this line. I have not closed the bracket, that's why error came. Control C, let me paste here. Control V, here one bracket I have to close, square bracket I have to close. Now enter. Now see, no error. Now suppose I will print D. Print D. Now see, printed or not? Now this is the several rules or technique we have to follow in the dictionary. Now sir, how to access the element in this particular case, how to access. And one more thing, dictionary, I told dictionary can be created by using this opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket, right? This opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket. Also there is one constructor called as dict. Okay, the dict class, one consider constructor is called dict. Through this dict constructor also we can create the dictionary. How can I, sir? How can I observe? I will write here, sir, d equal to dict. Okay, so since no, and inside this bracket I have to pass the arguments, elements or arguments, but right now no argument means it will create empty dictionary. Okay, it will create empty dictionary. Suppose I will write d equal to dict of, okay, dict of, I'll write like this. uh, Suppose dict of I'll write 10 comma 20, 30 comma 40. Okay, actually in this format it will not take, because it will take only one argument. Right now it is become two argument. In this format it will not take. Suppose I will write l equal to inside the bracket I'll write 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40, like this 50 comma 60 I will write like this inside the l, and I will write d equal to dict of l, because one argument, this constructor will take only one argument or zero argument. Zero argument means empty dictionary, and one argument I have to pass that argument in proper format only, right? Suppose I will write l equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30 and I will write d equal to dict of l. It will show throw error, because it cannot be, this list cannot be converted to dictionary, because dictionary should be two values, key with value. Okay na? Key with value. Right now only 10 20 30. Okay na? It will not, because it is not treated as it is not in the format of dictionary. It cannot be convert, it cannot be convert, because it doesn't contain any keys. These are the values only, it doesn't contain any keys. But writing, by writing like this, 10 will be treated as key, 20 will be treated as value, 30 will be treated as key, 40 will be treated as value, 50 will be treated as key, and 60 will be treated as value. Like this it will be work. Let us show you in the program also those things. Suppose I'm taking here d equal to dict of, okay, nothing, no arguments. Now see, type of d, see, class dict, and what is the d value? Empty dictionary, nothing is there, empty dictionary is there, right? Empty dictionary. Now I will pass the argument. Suppose L equal to 10 comma sorry L equal to 10 comma 20 comma 30, right? Now I'll write D equal to dict of L. Immediately error will come. Okay na? Error will come, cannot convert because it doesn't contain key. How can I do like this? You write L equal to, in the tuple format you write, or you'll write 1 comma 10. So 1 will be treated as key, 10 is the value. Similarly 2 comma 20, 2 is the key, 20 is the value, comma similarly 3 comma 30. Like this, you have to write, L value, then write D equal to dict of L. Okay, dict of L. Now see, no error. If I'll print D, print D, see what printed? 1 become key, 10 become value, 2 become key, 20 become value, and so on. Like this it will be printed, right? So this is the several technique by which we can create the dictionary, by using the constructor also, by using the curly bracket also, right? Several similarly, uh, if suppose L equal to, suppose I will write 10 comma 20 comma 30, like this I will write. It cannot be directly converted to dictionary through the constructor function, but first I will convert this L to enumerate object. I hope the enumerate concept also we have discussed in the previous videos. I will convert into enumerate object. Suppose E equal to enumerate is nothing but key and value pair also. Okay na? The enumerate concept is also key and value pair. So I will convert into enumerate spelling is what? Enumerate, A-E-N-U, okay, E-N-U-M-E-R-A-T-E, okay na? Enumerate of L, okay, enumerate of L. Now I can convert into dictionary, but now I will convert into D equal to dict of E. First I convert list L to enumeration type E. Then I convert E to dictionary type. See, no error. And D will observe 0, because enumeration starting key by default is 0, and ending key based on the number of elements it will be assigned. So these are the several methods. By using also range data type also, we can create the dictionary through this dictionary constructor also. So in the coming classes we are going to see all those concepts, and all many important topics are there. We will discuss slowly one by one. So today now it's the good point to stop here. So till then, you take care and bye.